Alright, so I'm starting day 2 here. I try to wake up as early as I comfortably could, set the alarm for 7:20. It's about 9:05 now, and I'm finally getting out of the house. Just had some morning chores to do, but I got a long day ahead of me. Let's get into this. So I made it to the condo here safely. Today's main goal is to work on the backsplash here. I do want to do a basic subway tile, nothing too crazy. It's going to look simple, elegant, and it's very affordable. The goal right now is to remove all of these electrical faceplates, do a light sanding on this so the mortar will have something to stick to, because this is a little older. It was painted about 2 years ago, and at the very least it needs to be cleaned. I'm probably not going to be able to finish this today, but the single goal is to make some good progress here. Just as a beginner's tip, if the unit you're working in has an air condition, go ahead and turn it on so you're not sweating. That's just a little joke, guys, but in all seriousness, I did work about 2 hours sweating my butt off before I realized the AC had not been turned on. But now that I got the wall prepped and ready to go, I made pretty quick progress just placing these subway tiles, doing my cuts, laying them out as neatly as possible. My only regret is that I had no decent way of making plunge cuts. I've tried using an angle grinder in the past, but I have not had much luck with that. So around the outlets, it is a little bit of a mosaic. Okay, so I'm about 4 hours deep into this project here. I would call this a good halfway point. Of course, I still have to do grout and this other side here, but this is a good stopping point for now to take a nice break, get some water, and really relax my legs for a moment. Alright, so I reached a good stopping point for the day. I've put in 6 hours and 40 minutes. That's gonna be all I can do. I'm eager to get home and just enjoy the rest of the night. Most of that backsplash is finished. Just gotta make a couple more cuts for the outlet and then the top there. I will be able to finish this completely tomorrow, maybe with the exception of caulking though. I really do hate caulking. No matter what I do, it's always crooked. I can try taping it on both ends. It's kind of my worst enemy. All right, I am out of here. I organized my tools and cleaned up a little bit. I like to do a quick prep the night before just to get ready for the next day. I don't like walking into a big mess. Today was pretty productive. I finished a lot more than I thought I would regarding that backsplash. I would have liked to have just finished it off, but it's gonna be getting dark here and I don't like going down to 25 when it's too dark out. I'll still finish it tomorrow regardless though, because I can lay the grout as soon as I get here, and then when that's drying, because it'll have to dry before I seal it, I can just go ahead and do my final cuts and lay the rest of the tile out. I don't remember how long that grout has to dry before I can seal it and be done with it. It's either 12 hours or 4 hours. If it's 12, it's just gonna have to wait. If it's 4, I can do it right before I leave. But either way, awesome progress. Got a nice long drive ahead of me. Hey guys, I got another beginner's tip for you. When you've been working for 7 hours straight, don't keep chapstick and a Sharpie marker in the same pocket. Otherwise, this is what happens.